Jai Sriman My name is Viradha. I am Rakshasa. I am here going around with all kind of weapons holding all the time. Charami Sayudho Nityam. And also my daily food is Rushi Mamsani Bhakshayan. I just eat all the Rushis over here. From now onwards, I am taking this girl, Iyam Nari Vararoha Mama Bharya Bhavishyati. From now onwards, this girl is going to be my wife. If you want to fight with me, come on, you can come. Aham pasyami rudhiram rudhe. I am going to drink the blood of both of you. Come on. Like that, Viradha, the Rakshasa, is declaring a war with Sri Rama Lakshmana Swami. When Viradha captured Sita Devi, Sitamma is getting totally shaken. Sitamma is getting so much of shivered and getting so much scared. Then when Rama has seen that scene, while Sitamma is getting very much feared, Rama is now saying to Lakshmana that, oh Lakshmana, look at Janakasya Atma Sambhavam, Janaka Maharaju's most beloved daughter, Mama Bharyam, my wife Sita. Look at her situation, look at her status, look at her, how much she is getting scared. Oh Lakshmana, I am unable to bear that. Subha Acharam, Mama Bharyam, Lakshmana, such a wonderful character Sita has. My wife Sita. Now look at Sita, she is captured by one Rakshasa. I am unable to take this pain, Lakshmana. Oh Lakshmana, Atyanta Sukha Samvruddham. She was raised by Sitamma. Sita is raised by Janaka with all kind of comforts, with so lovely attention and love. She was raised by Janaka. Lakshmana, Mama Bharya, my wife Sita, now she is captured by Viradha. She is getting scared, Lakshmana. I am unable to take that pain. Oh Lakshmana, Manasvinim, she is the one, Sita is the one who always have me in her thoughts. Mama Bharya, my wife Sita, I cannot see her in the hands of Viradha. Lakshmana, like that, Ramachandra Swami is unable to take that kind of pain where he has to see Sita in the hands of Viradha. He is also saying that, Lakshmana, even when my father Dasaratha Maharaju departed, I did not get this much of grief. Even when I lost my kingdom, I did not get this much of grief. Oh Lakshmana, this dukkataram astime, this grief is so much unbearable grief that I am going through, Lakshmana. Oh Lakshmana, you probably noticed that when Kaikamma made this happen, that we all should be living in the forest. When three of us leaving from Ayodhya, Kaikamma probably must be thinking that these three people are now going into forest and they will be definitely getting some dangers and they will be in the hands of some of the Rakshasas and they will never come back. And then my son Bharata can rule the kingdom without having anyone in competition. Probably she thought that. Probably she desired that. That is what is happening now, Lakshmana. Look at our Sita is in the hands of Viradha. Oh Lakshmana, I am unable to take this pain. Bashpasoka pariplute. Like that, Ramachandra Swami, while not able to take that grief, he is crying a lot. Then Lakshmana is saying that, oh Rama, you should not be crying like that, Rama. Nadhastvam vasavopamaha. You are like a Devendra. you should not be crying. And also on top, while I am there right next to you, you should never cry, you should never worry about anything, Rama. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.